chapter geometry, we are going to learn about solid figure. What is solid figure? Whatever object we used to see now, that is a solid shape only. This is solid, this is solid, okay, whatever object. So those are solid shape. So solid shapes are plane shape with thickness or height. What are solid figure? Solid shapes are plane shapes with thickness and height. Means plane shape we can draw in a flat surface now, that is in a piece of a paper. But solid shape, this is having a plane shape with the thickness also. There is one more thing included, not only length and breadth, there is thickness also, okay. So we will learn first the technical words which we use to define or to write the properties of the solid shapes. So first of all, the surface of the solid shape, children, okay, you can see this solid shape. It is having many plane shapes. This solid shape is having many plane shapes. Now this shape, these are the plane shape only. Square it is. So solid shapes are having either plane surface or it can have curved surface. You can see here is a curved surface. It is not plane now. It is curved surface, okay. So either solid shape is having plane surface or it is having curved surface or it is having both also. In cylinder you can see it is having both. This face is curved face and this is plane face. Okay, this side it is plane face and this side it is curved face. So solid shape may be formed from plane surface only. Solid surface can be formed from a curved surface only, or solid shapes can be formed from a curved or curved and a plane surface, okay. So we can now we know that solid shapes is having surface. It may be plane, it may be curved. Now the surface of the solid shape is called its face. This only plane surface or curved surface is only known as face, okay. So the surface of the solid shapes are called its faces, okay. It may be curved, it may be plane. Just now you have seen with different examples. So that face may be curved, the face can be plane. Now the edge in which the two faces meet, that is known as edge. What is edge? Where two faces meet are known as edges. For example, this, okay. This is one face, plane face it is now. This is another plane face. This is another plane face, okay. So you can see this plane face and this plane face is meeting in a one line. It is meeting in a one line now. or this plane face is, and this plane face is meeting in this line. They are meeting with each other now in one line. So that line only where both the faces meet are called edges. So this is one edge, this is another edge, this is another edge, this is like that. Where two faces meet, that is known as edges. So where two faces meet are called edges. Now edges can be curved or straight, children. You can see in a cylinder, just now I have shown you. You can see here, this is one curved face, this is plain face, okay, this is two face now. It is meeting in this edge, and this is a curved edge, this is not straight edge. So edge can be straight and it can be curved. Here it is straight edge only. Here this face and this face is meeting along this line now. So this is straight line, so this is straight edge. So the edge can be straight or edge can be curved. Similarly, like a face can be plain or it can be curved. Edges can be also straight or it can be curved. And two edges meet at a point known as vertex. Okay, where two edges meet, simply, what is the vertex? Vertex is a corner or a point, we can say. Okay, it is not necessary that where the two edges is meeting, that is only known as vertex. In the case of cone, you will see. Okay, cone is having only one edge, but it is having one vertex also. So vertex is what? It is a point or a corner. Okay, we can say point. So here you can see this is the vertex. This is a corner now. This point is known as vertex. This point is known as vertex. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 edges are meeting together here in this point. Okay, 2 or 3 edges is also meeting here. Not only 2, 1 edge, 2 edge, and this 3 edge. All 3 are meeting in this point. So this is only known as vertex. So vertex is what? Vertex is a corner or a point, we can say. Okay. So you have learned these terms. What is edge? First of all, what is face, what is edge, and what is vertex in a solid shape. Now one by one, in detail we will learn about a solid shape. Okay. So we will learn about now rolling and sliding object. Just now I said you that solid shapes are either made up of only plain faces. Faces you know now. What is the faces? Okay, just now we have defined what is face. So solid shape is either made up of only of plain faces, or it is only made up of curved faces, or it is made up of both. It may be have curved faces also and plain faces also. So according to that only we can decide whether the object can roll or slide. Okay children? Why? So solid object which curved face can roll down. You can see. This is the football also you can see. Football, TT ball, cricket ball, these all are sphere now. So you can see they are having curved face. They are having curved face now. Which type of face it is? It is curved face. Okay. So these objects can roll down because we know that solid shapes which is having curved face can roll down in a slide. Okay. this is known as slope. Okay, if there will be a solid with curved face, it will roll down like that. It will roll down. Okay, it will not slide, it will roll down. Now the solid shape, you can see the solid shape with the plane face can't able to roll down. It will slide on a slope only. Okay, it will slide. It will not roll down. So the solid object with flat face cannot roll down a slope, but they can slide. Means this is the slope, and the solid object, like just now I have shown you cube. Okay, this is the cube, your gift box. So it will slide only. It will not roll down. Okay, it will slide along the slope because it is having plane face. All the faces are plane only. Now children, the solid object with curved face as well as plane face can slide and can roll also. So just now I have shown this cylindrical shape. It is having curved face also, it is having, you can see, it is having plane face also, it is having curved face also. So along the curved face it will roll down. Okay, along the curved face it will roll down. Along the plane face it will slide down. It will not roll down. Along the plane face it will slide down. So it can roll as well as slide. This cylindrical shape can roll as well as slide. So solid object with the plane face and curved face can roll as well as slide. You can take your birthday cap only. Okay, when you are keeping your birthday cap like this, it will slide. We are keeping along a plane face, then it will slide. But when you will keep your birthday cap along the curved, so it will roll down. Okay, just now I have shown you this cylinder, it will roll down from here. Because we are keeping along a curved face, but if we will keep like this, it will slide only. So what we have learned today, which object is rolling and which object is sliding. So solid object with curved face can roll down a slope. Solid object with plane face cannot roll down, but it can slide. Solid object with plane face and curved face can roll as well as slide down a slope. So in next class we will learn in a detail about the different solid shapes like that cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone. Okay. So you please don't forget what the term I have introduced you today. Edges. What is edges? Write this in your copy. Okay. What is vertex? What is face? These all terms we will use in the next class when we are defining this solid shape. Okay. Cube, cuboid, sphere. These shapes, when we are defining, we will use these terms. So thank you children. Have a nice day.